Filter replacement of PICHLER heat pump combi unit. Please observe the following steps and precautions. Switch off the heat pump by setting the operating mode on the control panel to off. Wait for 5 minutes to ensure that the heat pump has come to a complete standstill before proceeding. The filters can be replaced by either the user or qualified technical staff, typically 2 to 3 times per year. Visual difference between clean and polluted filters is demonstrated on screen. Therefore, maintain an optimal airflow by swapping out dirty filters with new ones. Furthermore, the control unit will prompt filter replacements at regular intervals, as indicated on screen. The filter change is easy and can be done in only a few following steps. Begin with opening both caps on the top side of the unit and carefully fold down the filter cover. Pull the sliders that hold the filters in position on the left and right forwards. Then remove the dirty filters. Install the new filters with care, ensuring they are properly inserted to maintain optimal performance and efficiency. Pay close attention to the direction of airflow, which is also written on the filter itself, as shown in the accompanying image on the screen. The direction of the airflow should be downwards. Push the sliders back again so that the new filters are held in position. Only use original replacement filters, taking the filter class specified on screen into consideration. Please reset the filter signal on the control panel after every filter change as shown on the screen. After that, close both the filter cover and the caps on the top securely. Finally, switch on the heat pump using the control panel as displayed on the screen by selecting the desired operating mode, for example, automatic.